Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to download and install MySQL. First, go to any web browser. There, search simply MySQL downloads. Okay. Simply search this one, MySQL download. It open multiple websites. See this one, MySQL community server. Just to click on this one, MySQL downloads. Here again, it will move to different things. So it is a very difficult for identifying where this MySQL is available. So for that purpose, I will use this one. The original site is DEV MySQL download. So everyone select this one. Directly the link is available. See this one, download MySQL installer. This is the official website. So directly remember dev.mysql.com/download/installer. Here we have the MSI installer 296.1. Click on download. Once you click on download, no need to log in. So no thanks. Just to start my download. Click on this one. So observe one installer is downloaded. Yes. Now, once the installer is downloaded, I will explain the remaining procedure. Wait for some time. The installer is downloaded. Simply open this installer. Okay. See, just now I opened this one. Preparing to install. Just I click on installer, preparing to install. Right now I am using Windows operating system. So please wait while Windows configuring my SQL installer. Again, it will take some time, but wait. Click on yes. Now, so do you want to allow this from unknown publisher to make changes through your device? Yes. No, fine. No problem. So installer is going to install, validating internet connection, everything. Hello, that is my security. Now here we have multiple options are there. Server only, client only, full custom according to your requirement. You can choose any one. So generally we are installing MySQL server only. Anyway, if you select full also, okay, fine, not a problem. So okay, right now I am installing server only. Now click on execute. Okay, update the status. The status is under installing. Wait for some time until the status is completed. See the progress. Anyway, the MySQL installation take approximately 10 minutes of time. Here observe the left side, one by one. Now, then the second stage. This is the version 8.0. Now, the status is completed. Now, click on next. Sorry, I double click on next. Now, once you click on next, this is the screen open. Here, observe port to number is 3306. This is the predefined, that is the default port number for MySQL. From database to database, the port number is changed. Suppose in your system, already MySQL is installed. Okay, if you want to install one more time, this port number is not available. You can choose another port number, that is not a problem. Okay, now simply click on next. You don't need to anything. Simply click on next. Use strong password encryption for authentication. Yes, I open SQL by using password. Click on next. Here, you can give password according to your requirement. Remember, till now it takes admin as the user. You are not creating any new user. If you want to create, you can click on add user. Right now, we are running on the server. Yes, they created the user already. You are choosing your password. Suppose I choose my password as root, just for understanding. Okay, anyway, whether it is weak or strong, not a problem. But everyone must and should remember the password. Once the password is selected, click on next. Click on next. Next, see this one. Please specify a Windows service name to be used for this MySQL. A unique name is required for each instance. MySQL 80. Here observe the Windows service name is already used. That means in my system, I install MySQL, but at some place that is available, don't worry. You can change the name. You can give any name. That is not a problem. Clear? See, MySQL. You are using either custom user. That means whenever you are creating a new user, then this is the one. Suppose you are using standard, then this is the one. Okay. Now here Windows service name. Here start next need to be activated, but next is not activated. Then what you are doing in your system at some place MySQL is available. Okay. See, the Windows service name is already available. Now, what I am doing, suppose MyS. You can give any name or MySQL 123. MySQL 123. Got my point? Simply click on next. If you are first time installing, you are not getting this problem. Next, yes, grant full access to user running the Windows service. Simply click on next. Now execute. Okay, it will take some time. All the things needs to be executed. Okay, all are completed. Simply click on finish. Okay, next, click on next, finish. Installation is completed successfully. Now, Simply go to the start. Here, MySQL command line client. MySQL command line client app. Click on this one. Now, what is the password you given? You given password as the root. Press enter. See this one? Connected successfully. Now, first one, show databases. These are the databases that are available. Now, MySQL is installed successfully and it is executed. Okay, I think everyone is clear of how to install MySQL in your system. Thank you. Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.